Good afternoon. Today we're gonna start with our new lesson in chapter 3, lesson 8, which is talking about adding decimals. All of you, please, I want you to open your book, page 195. How to add decimals. Look at me, please, here. If you have this example, like 2 and 45 plus 7.31. And as you see here, we have two decimal numbers and you want to add them. What you have to do? First step, you have to rearrange the numbers under each other. What do I mean by it? I mean, like you have this is ones, as you know before. This is the decimal point. This is the tens. This is the hundreds. And this is the thousands. So here we have ones, tens, hundreds, and then thousands, as you know before. Then next, write them here. 2, it's ones. So 2.45 and 7.31. You have to add them now. So what you have to do? Look at me. Just add the hundreds together. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 3, 7. Then write the decimal point down. Keep it down because you arrange them. Take it down. Then 2 plus 7, 9. So answer will be 9.76. Sorry? This is maybe idea of the lesson. Yeah, this is the idea of the lesson. Page 195. 195. Yeah. Now, let's have this example here. Henry recorded the amount of rain that fell during 2 hours. In the first hour, Henry measured 2.35 centimeters of rain. In the second hour, he measured 1.82 centimeters of rain. Henry estimated that about 4 centimeters of rain fell in 2 hours. What is the total amount of the rain that fell? So they told me that at the first hour, we have 2.35. At the second hour, we have 1.82. And they asked me now, what is the total amount of the rain that fell? So what you have to do, you have to add them together. 2.35 plus 1.82. So first, what do you have to add? You have to add the ones or the tens or the hundreds? Hundreds. Bravo. So 5 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is 7 hundreds. Then 3 tenths plus 8 tenths, it's 11. So 3 plus 8, it's 11. So 1, and the second one, you have to write it up. Yeah, here we reach a dot, write it down, then continue. I said 11. 1 is here, and when the 1 is up, 1 plus 2, it's a 3 plus 1, 4. So then now it will be 4.17. Sorry? decimal point. The decimal point. Decimal. It means you didn't see our explanation before? Okay, see now, you know that we have number 1, we have number 2, we have number 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 are whole numbers. Between them, we have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So between 1 and 2, we have small little numbers. These little numbers, we call them decimals. So 4.17, it's mean after number 4, point something small, we have here 4.17. 2.35, it means it's here. Eh? How do they help or not? No, this does not make easier. This is another type of numbers. Hello, we know what a number, we know whole numbers. Between them, we have decimals. Okay, thank you. So now here the final answer, as you see, is 4.17. Is it clear? Yes, I told you 195. Did you finish writing? Okay. Now, here, yellow. I will start with you now one by one. Okay, I think, is there anyone did understand the lesson? Teachers, is it page 195? Yeah. Okay. Now, Dina. Dina? Yes, Dina. Here, I want you to find the summation. What you have to do first? أيوة. Bravo. And where you have to put and write the decimal. Thank you, Dina. Now, Hala. Hala Bashar. Maryam Khaled. Yes, you can. Maryam Khaled. Isra Bakr. Yes, Maryam. Here, what you have to do in number 2. How you will add? Five. No, Sarah. Yalla, 5 plus 3. 8. 7 plus 4. 11. Then 6 plus 8. Plus 1. 15. So it will be 15.18. Thank you. Now, Isra. Isra. Haneen. Yes, Isra. Number 3. Okay. Plus 9. Isra. $12. Then next. 9. Bravo. Then next. Give you what? 9 again. Thank you. Then now, Haneen, number 4. Yes, Haneen. Here, what do we have? Now look at me first, please. Here you have 6 and 34. Don't forget the decimal under the decimal. 8 is here and 3 is here. You have to arrange the numbers. The decimal under the decimal. 6 under 3 and 3 under the 8. If you didn't write it like this, you will have the wrong answer. Then next, in order to complete it here, since we don't have anything, you have to add 0. Then now you will add. I will continue. أيوة. Then 9. Yeah, 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1. 10. Thank you. Now after Haneen, Hunada. Hunada. Yes, Hunada. 5.63 times 2.6. I will repeat. Arrange the numbers. If there's nothing, add 0. Yalla, continue. Bravo. Thank you so much, Hunada. Did you finish writing? Yes. I will call you now one by one. Okay, after Hunada, now I want Huria. Yeah, something. It's in your book. Estimate. Don't solve it. Don't write anything. Estimate. Don't solve it. I don't want you to estimate. No, okay. Next. Now here. Connect symbols and words. After you write it, find the sum. Okay, now I asked Huria. Yes, Huria, are you here? Huria? Okay, Jilan? Yes, Jilan. Here, 7 and 25 hundredths. How you write it? Bravo. Added to 9. Four. You have forget that you have tens, hundreds, thousands. Then you have to add a 0. Bravo. $16. Thank you. So it's gonna be 16.65. Thank you, Sheila. Now, Jumana. Jumana. Yes, Jumana. 12 and 8 hundredths. Here you have the tenths. Here you have the hundredths. And here you have the thousands. Here you have the decimal point, and here you have the ones. Now, I say 12 and 8 hundredths. So 12, where I have to put the number 8? Jumana? So, and under what? 8 hundredths. Under what? Under the hundredths. So it's gonna be now, and here I have to write 0. So it's gonna be now 12 and 8 hundredths. Added 2. 4 and what? Yes, Jumana. 35 hundredths. How you write it? $35 hundredths. It's written to be as 35. Then next, what you have to do? Sorry? Then you have to add. Yalla, then 5 plus 8. 13. 13, not 30. So it's 13. Then 1 plus 0. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Jumana. It's 4. Then you have to add the decimal point. Then 12 plus 4. 16. So it's gonna be 16.43. Now, Lemia.
Yes.
Less Lemia. 19 and 7 tenths. How you write it? Seven tenths. So how it will be?
7.
أيوة, added to 92. Bravo. Then next, what you have to do?
Add.
Add. Bravo. Yalla, continue. You have 0 and 2. 2. 7 and 9. 16. 14. 2. So the answer will be 24 point what? and 62. Bravo. Now, after Lamia, I want Malak Anas. Yes, Malak. 1 and 82 hundredths. How you write it? Yalla. 1 and 82 hundredths. How you write it? Bravo. Hundredths. Added to 8. Thank you. Then next. B plus 1. Yeah. 8 plus 8. 16. 15. أيوة. 15 plus 1. 16 plus 1. 17. So, but don't forget the decimal. Yes, don't forget the decimal number. So it's going to be 17 and 62 hundredths. Do you have any question? Okay, now what's up? Yes, Mata. Number 10. 7.99. I want to add it to 8.34. What you have to do? 13. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3. Bravo. Then 7 plus 8. 15 plus 1. 60. Thank you. So the answer will be 16.33. Now, Muna.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Muna. I want you to solve number 11. Bravo. So it will be 9600. Thank you, Muna. Noura. Yes, Noura. Number 12. 9.6 plus 5.49. I want you to solve number 12. Okay. Here we added 0. Yalla, continue now. Nine. Bravo. Then next. 9 plus 5. لا 9 plus 4 14 صح. يعني it's correct. Then plus what? It will be 15. Bravo. So the answer is 15 and 900. Okay. Thank you, Noura. Now, Nourilina. Oh, first, I will give you 1 minute to write. Then I will let Noor to solve number 17. Now, did you finish writing? Okay, now number 17. Still no? How number 17 now? Okay, now number 17. 16.74 added to 5.34. Yes, Noor. Yes, Noor. Yalla. Yeah, I want you now to solve number 17. What do you have to do here? Bravo. Which is what? 8. Which is? Bravo. The decimal point, don't forget it. Then? It will be 22. Thank you. So it's 22.800. Thank you, Noor. I want to see you after Noor. Now, Ragad. Sarah, where's your name? I cannot see your name. Ah, okay, Sarah. Your letter before S-T. Oh, okay. So now, Sarah. Yalla, Sarah. Number 18.
Yes.
27.58 added to 83.9.
Okay, so 9.
Bravo.
And 5
Plus 1. 11. It will be 11, yes. So what the answer will be? 48 hundredths. Thank you. Thank you, Sarah. Now, do you finish writing? Okay. Now, I want you, please, open your book, page 198. A city receives an average of rainfall of 16.99 centimeters in August. 1 year, during the month of August, it rained 8.33 centimeters by August 15. Then it rained at the end of the month with 4.65 centimeters. What was the total rainfall in centimeters for the month? What do you need to find here? What do you need to find? You need to find how much rain fell all together. Okay, so you need to find how much rain you have. Now, what's the information you have? You have the amount of rain from August. One to August 15, and the amount of rain from August 16 to August 31. Okay, this is the information I have. I have the amount of rain from August 1 to August 15 and from 16 to 31. Okay, now then, number here, how will you use the addition to find the total? Just you have to say that I will add the two amounts. Now, how you solve it? Ragad, where's Ragad? Ragad? Okay, not Ragad. طب وديان؟ وديان؟ زين الشام؟ Lana? Okay, Lana, يلا answer with me. What you have to do, Lana, here? You have to add 8. You have to add 8.33 with what? 4.65. Bravo. The next. 5 plus 3. 8. 3 plus 6. 9. And then 8 plus 4. 12. So now, that's it. So here, this will be the answer. So it rained how many centimeters per the month? 98 centimeters. Yes, that's it. Do you have any question? Okay. Did you finish writing? Okay, I'm waiting. Now, all of you, please, the others, I want you to go back to lesson 4. Open your book, page 172. Okay, page 172. Okay. $172. I remember that I told you later on we will finish it. Is it right? We solved this one, these examples, but we stopped here. 172. Okay, now here. The speeds of two insects when rounded to the nearest whole number are the same. Okay? Which two insects are they? Here you have a dragonfly, horsefly, bumblebee, honeybee, and housefly. Okay? They told me that when you round two of them, they have the same rounding. Which are they? Let's round the first one. Yeah, to the nearest whole number. To the nearest whole number. Okay? I want who want to answer now? Hunada. Yes, Hunada. Here, the first one, how you round it? To the whole number. Look at, I will look at number 9. It can give, so it will be 7. Bravo. The second one. 4. Bravo. The third one. 3. The fourth one. 3. And the last one. It will be 2. Bravo. Now, which two insects are they have the same rounding? Bravo. So the answer is Bravo. This is for this one. Now, Muna, number 21. What is the speed of the housefly rounded to the nearest hundredths? I want you now, let's see, I will clear this here. Okay, and I want you now to look at the housefly and round it to the nearest hundredths. Where's the nearest hundredth? This one. How it will be? Bravo, it will be 1.97 because Muna said that 7 can give 6, so it will be 1.97. Thank you, Hunada. Thank you, Muna, sorry, and Hunada. Number 22. Who wants to answer? Yes, Sarah. See now, what is the error? Mark said that the speed is the dragon of the dragonfly, this one, rounded to the nearest tenth is 6.9. Is it correct or yes or no? So it's wrong. How it must be?
It must be 9.
6.10, or you have to say it's 7. I've written a 0, 0 in the 10th place and rounded 1 to 7. So here, the answer is, I mean, like you have to underline 9. Now, you have to round it to the nearest tenth. So it's 7 give, it can give it. So as you see, it is 6.10. But you cannot say 6.10. You must give this one to 6. So it will be 7. Do you have any question? By the way, see this one. Did you see it? The barcode? Did you? Yeah. Use the mobile by the QR code. Let the mobile read it, and you will have this exercise, and any other exercise as a game or as a video. They will explain it for you more and more. If you sometimes find the QR code, it can help you how to solve this question. Do you have any question?